Oh, fucking hey, bud. I hope you brought a car to get home. Shit about the fucking downpour.
Dude, you're not fitting a hood.
The hood delete.
You're not fitting a hood.
Bro, shit's beefy. So we're basically just waiting for Phil.
We're waiting for fucking Phil.
Oh, dude.
I don't even know why you talked me into coming already, because he's not gonna fucking even show up till midnight. We're the only ones to ever put this on a fucking SS? Like, I guess we just have to route it to ignition.
Does it always have to be on or just on when the car's on?
Yes, it always needs to be on.
No, like on when the car's on or always on?
Always on when the car's on.
Alright,
and it needs to shut off when the car's off. It says to route it to the previous pump.
The pump delete?
There is no previous pump. I was hoping it would say, or route it to the previous pump, or this fuse. Or this wire. It doesn't say that. I wish you'd remember your shit. I just wanted to know that this was not my forget.
This man bought a gallon of fucking tea, bro.
Listen,
He said, man, I'm parched.
I was horny. I just grabbed the bottle on the way out. It was half empty. I'm like, I can drink a half again. Okay, good. That's it? Hold on. Do it again.
The next day.
Alright, so last night didn't really work out. Phil ended up being busy until like 11. He wouldn't have got there till midnight. So I'm on my way to go pick him up and I'm gonna bring him to my car. We're gonna do the little tap tap bass tune on the shit. Hopefully be able to break it in enough to do the first oil change tonight. And then I'm gonna possibly bring it to him to do on the dyno tomorrow or Friday. I'm not sure though, because I have to pick up more special oil and oh dude, it's just a whole bunch of extra shit I have to do. Hopefully the car should start up, so I'll see you guys when I get them.
Yes, sir.
The Killtech tuning, bro.
See, that's the scat I was talking about. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We do shit like this every day.
He doesn't just tune cars, he's tuning a snake right now.
You think it's poisonous? Because if it's not, I'll just let it bite me.
No, I would not. I don't know.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
That shit was angry.
Yo.
Why is it so mad?
Yo, that shit's aggressive, bro.
Bro, it's beefing with the fucking thing. Oh. Oh, he's coming. You could not fit a tow truck in here if you tried.
Because you don't want to pay $150?
Yes.
He could have bought a McLaren 570 or something. You know. He could have got a tow truck in here and brought it to my shop. Question mark, kid, right on his head.
Who wants to smash my car into a tree?
Hey!
This was the stock shit, or just the housing was the stock shit?
That's the stock one.
Alright.
Yeah. That's everything. The pump's different.
I got the
It's
ZL1.
all just the ZL1 shit.
Yeah, it's all spliced into the same connectors. Where's your hood?
At home.
It's not gonna fit.
So you want to start it? Who wants to start it?
Fire in the hole. Almost.
You have anything you want to say to the camera after all of it?
Hey,
After everything?
you totally want to do it again. It wasn't that bad. In the grand scheme of building a car, that was not that bad. That was like 6 months of not that bad.
It was 6 months of hell.
Just wait till we start the Evo. And then you're gonna be like, bro, dog, I'm glad I bought a V8.
Oh, dig. Alright, so the relay for the supercharger pump just shit out. We're trying to figure out if it's the wiring or if it's just the relay itself. I have to take Phil back. He has another tune tonight. So while I'm gone, Ed's gonna fix that and try to put everything back together. Hopefully get the bumper on, whatever else he can. I'm gonna be able to take this home tonight. I'm praying, but I'm just so happy it turned on. That's all that really matters. After 6 months, finally.
Now that you got it running, here's a couple of more things you gotta get. We gotta figure out how to run temperature gauge for your supercharger. You gotta get a temperature gauge, and that's a separate cooling system. And we have to get a boost gauge, and you have to run a boost gauge right off the bat. Those are the two things we gotta get. This is where the whole process of the piston rings cooling down begins.
We gotta start it. We have to wait until it cools. Then the coolant cools down again.
Yeah.
To like what, like 160 or something.
Yeah.
I think I can see valve temp actually.
It's still purging air, so.
And then fucking we start it up again and let it get up to temp again. We have to do that like 2 more times.
Yeah. And then when we drive it tonight, we have to let it cool all the way down wherever we stopped the first time.
It's fucking hot in here, dude.
So this won't make too much boost. It won't, as long as he doesn't get on it. Driving around tonight.
Yeah, it's not, you know.
As long as he just keeps it slow now.
As long as it doesn't go WOT. Ambient air temp 79 degrees.
I'm glad I sucked down the rest of the coolant.
Intake air temp 111. So the blower was getting kind of hot.
Well, that's because it was sitting in here, right? If it's
Well,
open
yeah,
air, it might be a
shit's
little...
not fucking pumping.
And there's no air
through.
flowing over it either.
And the coolant ain't pumping. When you're in wide open throttle, you want to see nothing higher than a 12.5.
14? No good.
That's what you want?
No, blow up.
That's what happened to
Moving.
Diva.
Wide open throttle, 12.0, 12.5 in that area. No lower, no higher. It's direct injected, boosted. Fucking idling, you want to see in the 14s, high 13s, cruising, same thing. It's gonna have a cam, so at idle it's gonna